On the occasion of the 25th anniversary of the International Bamboo and Rattan Organization, INBAR, and the opening of the second Global Bamboo and Rattan Congress, I would like to extend, on behalf of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia and of my own, sincere greetings to all participants. Ethiopia, with the largest bamboo resources in Africa, has joined INBAR in 2002 with the aim of sharing experiences, best practices, and capacity building in making use of its resources. Ethiopia has been fully participating in the activities of INBAR and will continue to do so in strengthening and making the organization more efficient and effective. The fact that more and more countries are joining INBAR is a gratifying development. Ethiopia has been one of the fastest growing economies over the 2 decades. It has crafted a climate resilient green economy strategy targeting to become a low carbon economy. In view of this, we have accomplished projects in infrastructure, green energy, industry, and agriculture sectors that lifted millions out of absolute poverty. Ethiopia has been the host country of INBAR's East Africa Regional Office since 2009 and has worked with INBAR on a number of projects to stimulate the country's bamboo sector since 2005. The country has large untapped bamboo resources and is also a hub for training and knowledge sharing about bamboo in the region. The government of Ethiopia is grateful to the government of the People's Republic of China and its president for the opportunity given to Ethiopia to establish the China-Africa Bamboo Center and remains committed to expedite the construction to make it functional as soon as possible. Ethiopia will continue to support the endeavors of INBAR and collaborate with the international community to implement the 2030 agenda through using bamboo and rattan as critical nature-based solutions for sustainable development. Happy 25th anniversary to INBAR. Best wishes of success to the Congress.